Welcome to CPR Near Me, your go-to platform for local hands-on health and safety training. Find courses in CPR, first aid, basic life support, babysitting, lifeguarding, EMT, firefighting, and nursing from certified instructors, tailored to your schedule and preferences. Whether you're a first responder, healthcare professional, or seeking life-saving skills, we offer diverse training formats, including in-person and hybrid options. Students use our search tool to find qualified providers by location, format, type, and class. Detailed profiles and ratings ensure top-notch instruction. Training providers list your classes to connect with eager learners. Our platform helps you showcase your expertise and reach a broader audience with ease. At CPR Near Me, we make health and safety training accessible to all, from independent instructors to large organizations. Our mission is to empower individuals and communities with life-saving knowledge. Join CPR Near Me today and become a hero in your community. Gain confidence and skills to make a difference in critical moments. Sign up now and experience the impact of quality training.